This was not my idea.
You ready to go?
You signed a waiver.
I did.
First scooter off the Braille drop.
I'm ready.
Nope.
Okay, let's look. Yep, that's way worse. One and done.
Oh my! All right, guys, we're here today with a lot of nervous excitement with Raymond Warner, the professional. Oh my gosh, you gotta stay on your toes. Professional scooter, Raymond Warner, who is going to attempt to tackle the Braille drop today. All 9 feet, 6 inches of it.
I'm excited.
I'm excited too. See, I, as the filmer of most of these videos, get not nervous, but I've seen so many people go down this thing that I'm just like, whatever, just do it. I don't want to be involved anymore, just go. So I believe you can do it. I believe anyone and everyone can do it, but I take no involvement in this. This was not my idea. I'm just filming. So yeah, would you like to tell the people a little bit about yourself?
Absolutely. My name is Raymond Warner. As Gabe said, I'm from Murrieta, California. I do a lot of YouTube videos, obviously all kinds of stuff on Instagram. I've been riding scooters for a very long time, as long as I can personally remember. And I'm out here enjoying the Braille warehouse, and it's so much fun. It's a really cool place. I've actually seen this so many times on YouTube, and I've been like, dude, that thing is actually pretty big. So I'm actually so hyped to be doing this.
Yeah. Nigel, he's ready.
I'm ready.
You ready to go?
He's ready.
Goose fraba.
Yeah, I think the one thing I will tell you that I tell most people is that the landing is slightly uphill, so just prepare for that. The impact is like, just imagine normal 9.5 foot drop and then double it is the impact of this
For
one.
some reason, the
don't
impact
know
on
why.
this is way more than anything else.
Yeah,
I've jumped
Really?
this
it's
high.
insane.
It's weird.
Yeah.
That sounds weird.
It's also really slippery.
And
Yeah,
up
it is.
there is very slippery.
Yeah, Nigel showed me a second ago, and I
Yeah.
was a little surprised, but it's all good.
And one last question before we begin.
Yeah.
You signed a waiver.
I did.
All right,
I did sign a
we're
waiver.
good to go.
We're solid. We're good
Let's
to
go.
Don't leave me. Ooh, I thought he was gonna leave me down.
No, I saw it,
I was
I
like,
saw it.
I was like, oh god.
It
no.
happens to me a lot too, though. All right, let me go get out my other pair.
Are you next, Nigel?
You're out of your mind. You know how broken I am right now? I'm trying to be a big boy about it right now.
Nigel's over it for the day.
I'm so over it
done.
today.
He's done.
I'm in so much pain, but here I am.
We're back. We're good. Motor kicks. Gotta love them. Okay.
First scooter off the Braille drop.
I'm thinking, like, after the jump, after we kind of know how hard the landing is, because I know you guys told me, I have no
Yeah.
idea actually how hard it is until we actually go. Maybe like a couple tricks, like a bar.
Yeah. Well, my question for you is, do you want us to pull up a bank for you to go into the bank first?
Yeah, we'll give that a shot.
Let's do that first, then you can kind of get that. And if you only land it to flat, that's fine. You don't even have to do a trick down it. But if you want to, it wasn't my idea.
Baby steps.
That's where I usually have it.
Me too. That's where I usually have it.
Directly down, not good.
Dare me to jump to there like
You won't.
Ninja Warrior?
You won't. Manchester.
Wait, now you have to be.
Ah!
You're getting impaled by
You
a
didn't
camera.
even jump.
I know.
You leaned
I'm
over.
tall enough. I didn't have to.
You
jump.
said jump. You
You're gonna
didn't
get that
say lean
antler to the
over.
knee.
I didn't have to jump. I was too tall.
Okay, I'm ready. We'll go up there and take a look. Yes. All right, let's check this thing out. As Gabe was saying, it's just under 10 feet. Oh, dude, this is
It's slippery.
so slippery, dude. Oh, yeah, it's not, I mean, with the ramp, it's way less intimidating. Yeah, no problem. So as long as you don't turn like at the last second or way back there, we're in the game, we're solid. But I mean, without further ado, man, we might as well just go. Get the first one done. One and done. This, I could definitely trick this one. I could definitely get a bar spin on this one. I was gonna say maybe like a front scooter flip, but that would be a problem. If I threw my scooter and it got hung up, I'm backflipping. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. So we'll jump it first, we'll do a bar, we'll kind of feel that out and just see what that impact is like, and we'll go from there. Sweet. I almost couldn't stop. I was just like kept sliding, dude. I got a little nervous. I was like, oh. One more look, I'll be good. All right, good? Solid.
Okay. Easy.
All right, I feel like a bar spin is necessary.
Bar spin.
Bar spin is necessary. And then maybe a couple more just to feel it out, and then we'll pull it.
Yeah, sure.
We'll pull the plug.
How was that?
That was easy. That wasn't bad. Like I landed like kind of high up on the tranny, so it didn't feel like heavy or anything like that. So we should be solid.
Yeah, I'm afraid that I like overhyped the Braille drop, but at the same time, I'd rather overhype it than have you underprepared.
Well, dude, I mean, this is a
This is
a lot
very
different.
different.
Yeah, very different. We'll see if you overhyped it once I actually do.
Yeah, we'll see. Alrighty, good luck.
Easy.
That was easy. That wasn't bad. That was actually like no problem. So it went straight. That's a plus. You know what? I'm really hyped right now that I can't flip drop in that well because I know I'd get like a little cocky and try it. So I'm glad I can't do it that well. All right, let's give one more look. We'll get the bar spin in. Dude, I could probably nose blunt. Oh, dude, I might be able to do that, Gabe. Like.
No.
Should I try that?
What is that? Nose bump or
Yeah.
from here? From there?
From here. All right, you ready?
Send it.
Let's go do it. Oh God, if I don't make it, I'm so screwed. Oh! That was nerve-wracking.
I don't understand how you pop out of that.
Nope. All right, the bar?
The bar.
The bar.
Let's get it.
I made it. I made it. I was so nervous I wasn't gonna make it, dude. I was like, right when I went in, I was like, hooked, but we're in. Now we can do the bar spin. We teased everybody, but now we can bar spin.
You got it.
All right, ready?
You got it. Whoa! Wow!
All right.
Woo!
We gotta do another trick, and then we'll move it.
All right.
What trick? Should I tail up? Should I invert? Or should I indie?
Indie, I think, would be sick, honestly.
Indie?
Just because you gotta like pull it up.
Indie it is. You got it.
I feel like this is gonna be so easy for you, and I don't think people realize how hard some of the things that go down here are.
Oh, dude, I can only imagine some of the things that you guys have done. Like,
Now being here and looking at stuff, you're like, why?
yeah, like especially thinking that people have kickflipped that to flat.
Yeah.
I'm safe.
Is the park bigger or smaller in person?
Bigger. Like I definitely thought it was like a lot smaller on the videos, but I think it's definitely bigger. And the ramps are bigger than I thought they were, like taller.
Yeah.
Which was sick.
This is the one that it doesn't look as tall
That
as it
looks
is
like
on
it'd be
video.
easy to skate, and then you see it, and it's like, oh, it's a little big and steep.
Yeah. So Nigel requested an indie, so we'll do the indie, then we'll move it, and then we'll see how everything goes after that. And I'll do my very best not to hit my freaking knee on my bars, because if that happens, I'm gonna cry. Check. Nigel requested an indie, so that's what we're going for this time. Bar spin's over. We've done nose blunt. This is the last trick that we're gonna do, and we're moving it to flat. I don't know if I'm gonna do any tricks to flat because I can tell it's gonna hurt. That's a little scarier. That's a little more nerve-wracking than just this. It's a little scarier. As soon as my hands like start doing this, like, I get a little more nervous. Okay. All right, ready?
Oh my god!
She's the mom, dude. Yeah.
Yeah.
What are you doing with your
He's
life?
not even here right now.
Where
He's
are
gone.
you?
Look at this. He's
What are you-
gone.
what are you
He's not
thinking
here.
about?
I'm gonna bring him back.
How is he? Oh.
All right, well.
Moving it?
Yeah, you want to move it?
Let's move it.
Manpower!
Cannot. No knee. Can't happen. It'll be toast. I'll die. Absolute die. Okay. First try. Yeah, I feel like it's necessary to say that here. Like I feel it in my soul. I'm like, first try. Every time. Like it just comes to you. Like, all right, sweet. Okay, let's look. Yep, that's way worse. Dude, this is gonna be way worse. This is way worse. This is like 4 feet taller now. See, here's the part. Like I ride vert ramps. I don't ride like any kind of drop, like 7 stair. It's like about my max I actually go and have a good time at. This is equivalent to not a 7 stair. No. What is this equivalent to? What would you say?
15 maybe?
15? Haven't hit 15 since I was like 18. That was 9 years ago. Okay.
You got this! First ever scooter down the Braille drop, let's get it!
First try. Hopefully. Oh God, okay, I'm not tricking that. That was like a hard landing, dude.
Oh my.
That hurt my butt. You see that? I kicked myself right in the butt.
People get bucked off from it.
It tried to. It tried to buck
Is
me
it
off.
not like more impact than you thought?
Dude, that was way more impact than I was expecting.
Yeah.
The ramp was way easier.
Yeah.
The ramp was more
So
my
now you're
style.
like, I'd rather put the ramp back, do a couple more tricks.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, well, you won. You conquered it.
You did it.
Yeah.
Oh man.
I gotta watch this impact though. Oh, going on?
Yeah, let
Yeah,
me see
dude,
that. Let
you
me see.
shook.
Dude, it's like I went like all the way down to here and like just felt my heel go like into my butt. It's not good, dude. Like I want to trick it, but I kind of don't.
You don't have to. I mean, you did it.
Okay, I can take that and
And that's what matters, yeah.
okay, I'll take that.
Would you want to do more tricks into the bank, maybe?
Yeah, we can do that.
What about double whip?
I can double whip that probably.
Double whip it?
Yeah. All right, so double whip.
Double whip.
Double whip it is. All right, that was so much harder than I was expecting it to be, dude. It was just like, if my helmet wasn't buckled, it would hit Gabe, 100%. So we're gonna double whip into it this time. I'm gonna single whip it first. Yeah, I'm gonna do a single first.
Wow. That was so easy. That was sick.
It's so much different with the ramp.
That was a good catch, too.
Thanks.
Caught the
Thanks, man.
perfectly.
First try. I said that 3 times today so far.
It's okay.
Double
You
whip.
got at least like 10 more in your system.
This man is out of pocket as all. If you guys only knew how crazy this is.
Yes, mate. Double, he says.
The double?
A double. Should I just skip double and just do triple? I feel like that might be easier.
Easier?
Yeah, I'm better. I do triples way more often.
I think you should just triple and not double.
Should I?
Surprise him.
All right. Oh, it's so nerve-wracking, dude. All right, ready?
Oh my god!
I didn't die. I didn't die.
Oh
Yes.
my.
It was his idea. He's like, you should just do a double, or you should just do triple instead of double and not tell him. I was like, okay.
He said he could triple it. I was like, just do it.
He's like, just do that instead of double.
You let Satan's son choose your fate right now?
No, it worked though.
Oh my god.
That was.
Heck yeah.
Maybe I do need to listen to him more.
All right. Oh God. Oops. Gabe was saying that was chilling, and they were awfully surprised. So hey,
Told you.
thanks for that.
Told you.
Thanks for that. For those of you guys that don't know, one of the tricks that I do a ton is inverts. I love inverts. It feels so good, and I do them like all the time. So that's one that I should be able to get no problem. So we're gonna invert, and I think we'll be solid after that. Do you think? Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Cool. Invert it is. All right. I'm good. We good? This thing is so much fun.
Dude, I'm lost. I'm glad you're good. Now that you're done, I was a little nervous.
Good.
Triple, Dan? Triple?
He said, he comes up and he's like, triple's easier.
All right. Did I overhype it?
Not the flat drop. No, not the flat one.
It's at its impact.
Dude.
And I haven't even jumped down it. This is just the impact that I have invented in my head.
I mean, you've seen a lot of people do it,
I
so
have.
I mean that does make a lot of sense.
I have.
I'm sure you've seen a couple boards snap and things like that.
I've seen board snap, I've seen head snap, I've seen
Well, you didn't tell me that.
and I didn't want to tell you till after.
Good thing I have my helmet, dude.
Yeah, unbelievable.
Thank you.
Unbelievable.
Thank you.
Huge thanks to Raymond for coming to the Braille house, shredding the place, and showing all of you guys what scooters are capable of. It's unreal. We don't care here, okay? Here at Braille, any action sport, any set of wheels on any different thing is accepted to us, and that's what it's all about. We just want people to go out there and have a good time. So, I wouldn't recommend that you come here and go off the Braille drop, but I would recommend that you grab a skateboard, grab a scooter, grab whatever you want, and go out there and have a good time with your friends, because that's what it's all about.
Agreed.
Boom. Raymond also has a YouTube and an Instagram, so you should definitely go right down there to the link in the description below and check both of those out. Subscribe. You're almost at 1 million, I heard.
Almost. I'm at like 907 or something. 907K.
Well, it's
Getting
up
there.
to you guys to get in there
Help me.
right now. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, and leave a comment below, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. You are seriously the best audience in the entire world.